If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What's going on, folks? It's MrBucketlist here, and today I'll be reviewing the Yucatan restaurant here at Xcaret in Mexico. Let's check it out. First, I want to go over the details of this experience. So we were actually here via a cruise ship. We were not resort guests. If you're a resort guest and if you have Xcaret Plus, then this restaurant is included with your stay. For us, I ended up paying about $100, so essentially it's about $50 per person. That did include tips and things like that. Secondly would be the meal period. So we came around lunchtime, and during lunch they actually have a lunch buffet. Now if you come later on during the evening, I believe they have a set menu that's a la carte like most other restaurants. But for this period they actually had a full buffet. And again, the price was about $40 per person. That is in pesos, so you will have to convert it on your credit card will take care of all that, or your debit card. But if you have cash, you do have to convert it. And that $40 per person as of this video did include some type of alcoholic drink, some type of lemonade or juice, and then water as well. And just one of those alcoholic drinks. Now let's talk about the food. The food selection, oh my god, trust me, it was amazing. It was fantastic. I'll go ahead and put the review out there right now. If you're a foodie, come here. If you're at Xcaret, forget the price, yeah, $40, whatever. The food was worth it. It was all freshly prepared. There was a huge variety. This is just, it was good Mexican resort style food. I mean, I'm not saying resort style in a bad way. Like, it was high quality food. It was so good. The food itself, and again, I'll just kind of do a walkthrough so you all can kind of see. There's so many different options, and there are two different levels. Now, the different levels actually have a couple of different items. So if you're a really big sweets person, at least on my visit, the sweets are all at the bottom, so the bottom level. But either way, I mean, it was just so much food, and it was all extremely tasteful and good, so much flavors. Really, really good food. Next, let's talk about the view. The view was just incredible. I mean, literally, we were facing just the beach and just a beautiful ocean, all that. Amazing. So I mean, if you want amazing food and an amazing view, just amazing experience in general, this is definitely the place to go. I'll go ahead and say it right now. This is definitely a must do if you're at Xcaret. Now, would I pay for Xcaret just to get to this restaurant? No, and you actually need a mission to get here, which is pretty expensive. But if you want basically just a phenomenal experience, or pretty much a once in a lifetime type of meal experience while you're in Cozumel, while you're in this area, this is the place to do it. Lastly, I will mention is the service. I mean, the service was spot on. The lady at the front desk, the little hostess, she kind of had a little bit of attitude, but outside of her, the actual staff that was taking care of us, the wait staff, he made sure my beer stayed cold. Even though I'm not a big beer drinker, it was hot outside, so it warmed up really fast. He made sure it stayed cold. They cleaned off our table as soon as we got up to get new plates. Like, the service was spot on, was right there. I mean, they weren't far away, so when you go to other restaurants, you have to flag them down and stuff like that. That wasn't the case. They were ready for you when you had any questions. So the service, the food, the atmosphere, everything, this was a phenomenal experience. So I hope you all enjoyed this tour. I will have a full walkthrough, my everything on location video of this experience at Xcaret. It was beautiful. We did so much, and so I have a lot to show. So that'll be coming up soon, but I hope this is very helpful. It's MrBucketlist. I'll see you soon.